What up, trappers? We are out here. As you can see, it is sunny as hell, but believe me, it is cold. It is chilly and the air is brisk. We're supposed to get like 4 or 6 inches of snow tonight. We'll see how that goes, but it is cold. But we're here hanging out while we got some sunshine, and as long as you stay in the sun, it ain't too bad. But we got a couple of Chevys out here. We want to show them off right here. We got Wookie's box, and we got another SS out here on 22s. We're going to let you look at these guys. So this is what we're doing today, hanging out for a minute. Sorry about the train in the back. You're just going to have to deal with that. You see the Blazer back there. Wookie Tahoe all the way down there at the end of the lane too. It's all sitting here. But we're going to give them a go around, guys. Check them out. We got another guy supposed to be showing up with a little something he's starting project. I guess it's just something he's working on while everybody's on lockdown, quarantine or whatever. But so if he shows up, we're going to check that out too. That'd be something neat to check out and look at. But this is what we got, guys. 86. It's a box Chevy. Wookie working on it. Been a project, a little at a time, you know. Takes time and money. Everybody, you know, generally has so much money and so much time, so everything takes a little time. I expect it probably take a couple years to really finish this up, finish it up. But you know, that's what it takes. That's what it takes to get them right, get them nice. And this is a good start, guys. He's got the 24s on there. He's got the inserts. It's original interior. I know he's been working on the interior. If I show you now, you're gonna be like, ooh, damn. But I'm telling you, you know, give you some time. Things go accordingly. It should look real nice in there. Maybe we will take a peek just so that way you can see now and get a look at what it looked like. And it ain't bad, guys, really. You know, he just got a bunch of stuff in the back seat where he's been working on stuff, but really, like, it's not too bad, guys. It's really not. A little bit here and there. It'll take some work, but he got the cloth top, 4 doors. I think it's got the 305 under it, but that's what he's got here. I think he's got all this chrome trim, like there for his bumper and all that stuff. Like, he's got all that trim. He just got to put up because, you know, he already plans on working on it. But he got the wheels fitted, little things like that, little at a time. You can hear him back there carrying on, echoing. But that's the box right there. That's the working project. I don't know if he's got anything in the trunk. Probably not wired up for anything right now. But that's that one. We got the SS sitting here too. He got it sitting on wheels. It's an Impala. I'm not sure what year. Not sure. Let's see. I think he got the 22s on here. He got the 22s, and he got the tire stretched, sitting on skinny. He low. Ain't much to that one, boys. Man, that one's sitting low. But he got the chrome trim. Got the trunk up right now, mixing with the sound in the back. He's got some 12 subs back there in the amp he's messing with. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. But just something for him to do, pass the time, make it look a little better. Here, Wookie pulling up right here in the Tahoe, chugging, chug. You hear that V8 and that exhaust? There he goes. All right, there he goes. I guess he's gonna go get the guy with the other vehicle we were telling you about, so we'll get to check that out too. Impala looks good. It's black, but you know, right now for all of us, we got all kinds of weather, and it's so hard to keep anything clean, especially when you're driving, you're out doing stuff, whatever. I know everybody's on quarantine. We don't really go nowhere, but you know, things still gonna get spotted up, still gonna get dirty just from even just sitting around, you know. So they're not cleaned up. We don't have the summer shine on nothing yet. Nobody does around here, at least, because like I said, it's cold right now. I'm ready to switch hands with my camera just to warm my hand up, just to keep from freezing a little bit. Let's poke our nose back here and see what he's got going on back here. Oh shit, look at there. You know what that is. Look at that. Yeah. Oh snap, he got him a tire and a jack. We already know what's up there. That's the skinnies. That's the see. Yep, those are good for you. Yep, that's what you need. The 22s, ain't they?
Yep.
Yep, 22s. What year is this?
2010.
2010? 2010 Impala SS on 22s in the hella skinnies. hella skinnies. They look good. They do. There's the Impala. But yeah, see, he got him a jack and a tire back there. That's like, some people got big wheel problems. Some people got skinny tire problems, and
that's what I got.
Yep. See, it's a struggle, man. No matter what it is, there's something. That's why they call it the struggle, man. Let's see what you got going on back here. Ooh, look at that. I see some speakers. Boom. All them 12s too, ain't they?
Yep.
Yeah. You got him some 12s. Get him wired up. Got his amp in there. Getting it fixed up.
I took that extra wire off too.
Yeah, that smaller one?
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, you lose continuity to do that one. Here come Wookie riding back. He just want to show off. He just want to get a video of his truck rolling. Do you know that's what's up?
Look.
Yeah, see? We're going to get him though too. We're going to make him happy. He be smiling. He sees this. There it is. Yeah, see, he flexing. He already knows. He playing. Look at him. There it is. We'll go around this one too. Got the sunlight.
You know what I do?
He run
I need some kind of squeezy thing. I'm scared to use this when I got this steak on. I got this thing that's sharp.
He said squeezy steak things. On. Yeah, he means steak-ons. Yeah.
I'm learning all this stuff from y'all. I don't know too much.
It might be in the back of just a bag around here somewhere.
Check them out on Facebook, guys. Napa Knee Takeover. Man, have they plotted any meets yet? What?
Nah, because of the coronavirus thing, man. Everybody been like, man.
Yep.
I need a bag.
They probably shut it down. They probably come out there, the rollers, and shut it down anyway. I guess it'd be good to get on camera, but you know how many car meets are already on YouTube that been got shot down? Police come out and be like, you guys can't do this. Break them up.
Luckily, they don't bother us back here.
You know what we do? We all go to McDonald's, go through the drive-thru, and then sit up in the front parking lot.
And eat.
Yeah.
Then they can't say nothing.
Nothing.
That sounds like a plan.
Yep. That's what we do. On Saturday night, everybody about 7 o'clock, go through McDonald's, and then sit and park. Everybody gonna eat. But we gotta wait till it's warm to do that, man.
Yeah, it's cold now.
Hey, they got that one place in Syracuse where they come out, where the girls used to wear roller skates. You know what I'm talking about? The root beer stand over there in Syracuse? Yep. Man, I should have put it in the sun. It looks good though. Yeah, it's still running. Hell yeah, because I left my heat on. Because I'm going to get in there and I'm going to get warm in a minute after I'm done playing with this camera. Man, I love that exhaust is gone. I couldn't stand that thing. I complained about that for so long. And now that ugly thing is gone and it's out of there, that makes me happy, guys. I like doing that one. That was a good one. Oh, yeah, now I'm back in the sun. It's 10 degrees warmer over here. I had the copyright on. I had to turn that off when I grabbed the camera and jumped inside. Man, he's still working on these. They better sound good. 2010 Impala Super Sport. What you got under the hood?
That ain't too much. Regular old engine.
Yeah. What size comes in this one?
5.3.
The 5.3? 327?
Shit.
Yeah. Wookie got the 305 in this, I'm pretty sure. It might be 350. He's been doing some work under here. Got the air cleaner above the carb. We got the green pulleys. It looks like a green water pump or something. I think that might be water pump. An alternator there. He got them painted up a little bit. Got the wires all run. Man, that's a big hood. And it's hinged. Ain't nothing up underneath this way, folks. It's hinged. You don't see that a lot anymore. But it's alright, guys. It's alright. There's a Tahoe.
I need to get this over here.
There's a Napa Knee Takeover again. Check them out on Facebook. If we can't get out, maybe we can post up. We get it from this side too. Let's check it out here. There we go. Man, there's that train again.
Hey, Buck. Where you got these fucking TV, man?
But I am freezing, guys. I'm about to put this up for a minute. Maybe here in a little bit, maybe we'll get it back out again and get some more footage. But that's it. That's what we're doing today, guys. We're just hanging out, messing around, and just practicing social distancing. Not really being too close, just hanging out. Everybody kind of just doing their own thing, but we're still all here, hanging out, supporting, you know, getting through it, guys. That's what's up. All right, we'll see you in the next clip, guys. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.